All right, this one should be pretty short. I said that we were done with list functions, but there is one more list function that I want to talk about briefly in Python, and that is the sort function. So the sort function, it does what you think it should do. It sorts a list. So if I printed out words right now, which is the list that I have at the top over here, it would just print out the list as it is, right? My cats are cool. If I printed out nums for my numbers over here, it would print out the list of all the numbers. Now what you can do is you can call the function on the list. So I can say words dot sort with nothing there. And now if I print that list afterwards, it is going to sort these alphabetically. So it's going to print our cats, cool, and my. And similarly, if I say nums dot sort and then print that list that's now been changed, I can see that it goes in order, dealing with negatives and decimals nicely, right? Before it was 3, 6, 12, 2, 1 all over the place. It goes to the lowest and then up from there. That's it. Just showing, the little sort function. There might be a case where you want to sort a list, and Python has a nice, cute little way to sort things automatically for you. That's the whole video.